Hi and welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'm Nandita and today I'm going to show you how to make Besan Laddus in the microwave. Besan Ladoo is a traditional Indian sweet which is pretty much made in every Indian home. Today I'm going to show you a little simpler and quicker version because we'll be making this in the microwave. So come, let's start with the recipe. I'm adding besan and ghee. Just mix this up a little bit. So I've given this a rough mix and now we'll put this in the microwave for a total of 5 minutes. But every 1 minute we'll be taking it out, giving it a stir and putting it back in. So we have roasted this for 5 minutes in the microwave at 1 minute bursts, given it a good stir, and now I'm just going to let this cool for around 20 minutes or so, and then we can add in the powdered sugar. The roasted besan mixture has cooled for around half an hour so that it's easier for us to handle, and now I'm going to add the powdered sugar to this. I'm also adding some powdered green cardamom seeds. And now using our hands, we're going to mix this all together. I'm kneading the whole mixture so that the sugar, the besan, the cardamom, they all get mixed in properly. Now we can start making the laddus out of this. Take around 2 tablespoons of the mixture in your palm and then just keep rolling it around like this and gently compressing it until it gets a nice smooth round shape. Like you can see, there are no cracks on this now, and I'm going to garnish it with a piece of a pista. Similarly, I'm going to make laddus with the remaining mixture. So our quick and easy microwave besan laddus are ready. If you enjoyed the video, do like the video and share it with your friends. And do subscribe for more such Britannia Dessert Carnival recipes.